Great. Oh! No! Oh! Whoa, he almost got it. Gotta get him under the box. Turtle cam. Oh, there it is. Look, look. Oh, my God. Right on the camera. Oh, my God. He's looking right at it. Sweet, bro. This is like the best underwater footage ever, dude. Bro, he's showing the fish underwater. Has anyone ever done a better GoPro on a turtle? I don't think anyone done a GoPro on a turtle. Oh, wait, maybe, but I'm not sure. Alright, hey guys, if you want to see the full peacock bass fight on the turtle cam, make sure you go to my channel because I'm going to put the full fight on my channel, and I'm also going to show you how right now, you guys got to check that out and make sure you give him a subscribe. I can't believe what we're capturing right now with a turtle. Yeah, I'm tired of giving my own videos a thumbs up. I'm tired. Went on turtle cam. I'll be catching fish. Let me go for one more. Since you get to hold the turtle, I can fish. This is your day. Another bait, get another one on GoPro. Oh. Bro. Right there. Bro. Turtle cam. Oh, look at this. Another one. On the turtle.
Savage.
I think we got enough footage, bro. Hey, that boy just busted. That sounded like it hurt. Look at his skid marks. He left skid marks on the sidewalk. No grip. Hey, you usually got those in your pants. Tarpon? Yeah, we got little baby tarpon today. Live tarpon, guys. I mean, they just hatched yesterday, little tarpon. Well, at least I think they're tarpon, but they're silver like tarpon, so... Little baby turtle. Alright, so we don't really want him swimming around away from the turtle, though. No. So, guys, we're gonna turtle fish. We're gonna fish for a turtle right now. So, Brian, you gonna murder the fish? I'm gonna murder this fish. I am murder. Okay. Alright, so while you kill the fish, I'm gonna murder this fish. While you murder that thing, I'm gonna go to the safe place for the sensitive people. Okay. I think we're good. Ooh. I'm sorry. Guys, this is world's first fishing for turtles. Alright, I'm gonna lure him in. He's on it. He's on it. He is full speed ahead. Look at that. I'm gonna drop my bait on this side of the log. Oop. Okay, as soon as he comes close, there he is. Grab him. There he is. Oh, no. This is it, guys. This is how you do it. No, I messed up. Do you want me to bring him in and you grab him with two hands? Mix the dream one. Bro. Woo. Manatee egg. Oh man, I hope it survives in the water. I'm gonna bring him right to your feet. Bro, he's hitting the manatee egg. There he sees it. Oh. Got him. Oop. Perfect. Oh no! I think it's a snapping turtle. Watch your pinky. Yeah. Oh. Guys, comment below if you know what type of turtle this is. We're gonna strap a GoPro on his back. We're gonna let him swim back out. Let's see what kind of footage this turtle, me and Brian. Guys, look at the nails on this creature. Oh. Hey bro, don't freak out, but there's a cop here. Huh? Oh, how you doing, man? The cops are here. Nice turtle. We're being good. Let's turn this GoPro on and send this turtle in the water. Don't forget the GoPro on part. I just forgot. Okay. I almost forgot. Okay. Let's see. Is it on? Oh, there it is. All right, GoPro on. Rolling? It is rolling. All right, got the bail open so when he swims out, he can swim without having tension on the line. Hopefully you can capture us some awesome footage, Mr. Turtle. All right, we got the GoPro on a turtle. We're gonna send him in the water right now. This is cool, turtle cam. Guys, comment below turtle cam and I'll heart your comment. All right, Mr. Turtle, capture us some awesome footage.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what kind of footage is on this GoPro.
We got a front row. There's a freaking sushi shop right now.
He is tearing up some.
Oh, he ripped your head off! He ripped your head off!
Holy crap!
Hey guys, comment below #savage. Turtle the Savage.
Bro. Don't let this flop, guys.
He wants more.
Hey, should we feed him again?
I'm gonna go grab another one.
Another one.
Savage. Savage. Oh, I didn't know. Bro, he's tearing up that fish. Bro, that's a savage turtle right
So
there.
they bite them, and then they use the claws to shred it apart to make small. Look at that.
That makes sense. That's why their nails are so long.
Oh, decapitated. By the edge. Yeah. Just leave it. Free line. You're gonna get skunked in 5, 4. I'm recording you with this GoPro too.
Oh, turtle cam.
Turtle cam. Bro, you're gonna get. I think you're 8. Oh. No. Oh, turtle cam.
Come on. Got my shiner.
Turtle cam.
No, bro.
Hey guys, if you want to see more missed hook sets like this,
Oh yeah. Check out Brian at CEO. Brian's on turtle cam.
gotta get them under the dog. Turtle cam.